everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to look at the new slide layout options that you have when you create a new slide in Google Slides. So the button is right up here in the very top left for new slide layouts. If you hit the plus button, you'll just get the basic first layout option. But if you hit that little arrow next to it, this will open up all the options that you can choose from. A main title and a subtitle on this first one. And then the second one is just a title in the middle. You have title and body, which gives you a title box at the top and then like a paragraph form in the bottom body of it. And then two columns with a title, one title only at the top. You have a left side column text with a title, and then a main point so that you have empty spot to the right. And then you have a double-sided section title and description. So that was going to give you a title, a description, and then a body paragraph. So you have a bottom text box that's not a title, it's a plain one, and then a big number text box. And if you're like me, I usually like to go with the blank ones because I like to be creative and put my text boxes and titles where I want to put them. So that is it. This is nice and short and simple. So you can choose from any of these slide layouts to make your new slides and have fun creating. All right, that's it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.